the shadow corners of the internet to uncover the top 5 dark web scams you need to avoid. Stay tuned and stay safe. The dark web is a hidden part of the internet, accessible only with special software like Tor. While it can be a place for privacy and anonymity, it's also a breeding ground for scams and illegal activities. Let's explore the most common scams you might encounter. Number 1. Fake marketplaces. Many dark websites claim to sell illegal goods like drugs, weapons, or stolen data. These sites often look legitimate, but once you send your payment, you receive nothing in return. Always be skeptical of these marketplaces. Number 2. Phishing sites. Just like on the regular internet, phishing is rampant on the dark web. Scammers create fake login pages to steal your credentials or personal information. Double-check URLs and never enter sensitive information without verifying the site's authenticity. Number 3. Hitman services. Believe it or not, there are sites offering hitman services for hire. These are always scams. You're not only risking your money but also drawing the attention of law enforcement. Never engage with these sites. Number 4. Bitcoin scams. Scammers on the dark web often promise to double your Bitcoin or offer unbelievable investment opportunities. These are classic Ponzi schemes designed to steal your cryptocurrency. Be extremely cautious with your digital assets. Number 5. Data breach scams. You might find offers to sell personal data, credit card information, or login credentials. Often the data is outdated, fake, or incomplete. Buying stolen data is illegal and can lead to severe consequences. The dark web can be a dangerous place. You know how I explore the real dark web? Click this video to explore the dangerous web. See you here.